We're spinning brass in a barrel.
It's so hot in here. Wait, I did one on my head. Is there one left?
No.
Yeah, there's one left. What's that?
No, that was it.
That was it.
Damn it. It's still going?
Yeah.
You know how to make that thing close?
I think him. Not with the arrows, right? This ain't gonna work.
What?
I made the barrel too big for the lid. It's stretched out too far.
Hold the camera.
You can get it. Is it still?
Hey, push it. Push that in. Okay. Okay, spin him. Here we go. Spin him. You want out? Damn. Okay, let him out.
Was that? I thought you were gonna throw up.